In this video, I will show you how to send or transfer money from Revolut to Interactive Brokers quickly and easily. The process is simple, and by following these steps carefully, you'll be able to send funds from your Revolut account directly into your Interactive Brokers trading account. First, open the Interactive Brokers app on your phone or computer and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you need to get your banking details from Interactive Brokers. These are the details you'll later use in Revolut to make the transfer. Make sure to copy these details carefully or take a screenshot so you can use them in the next step. Now, open the Revolut app and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the Payments section from the home screen. In the top right corner, tap the plus icon to add a new recipient. From the available options, choose Bank Recipient. This allows you to make a transfer to an external bank account. Next, you'll need to enter the banking information you copied from Interactive Brokers. Make sure the details are accurate, especially the account number, SWIFT code, and any reference number provided by Interactive Brokers. This reference is important because it ensures the money goes to your correct IBKR account. Double-check all the details once more to avoid any errors, and then confirm the transfer. The transaction will process just like any standard bank wire transfer. Depending on your bank and currency, it might take a few hours to a couple of business days for the funds to appear in your Interactive Brokers account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Revolut to Interactive Brokers. It's a straightforward process. Just make sure all your banking details are correct to ensure the transfer goes smoothly.